Can you able to see my screen? Hello?
What, ma'am?
Can you see my screen? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last lecture we had completed about impurities. Okay. And now we have to learn about,
Which only water.
we have finished till water only. Okay, let me just, because I was in girls we had completed. Okay, so let me just go to there again and then we have to search it again.
In
Let me
previous
just,
lecture, you completed true or false. Page number
okay.
86.
Okay. This one. Now we have to learn here. Okay, yeah. Wait a minute. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are, now we have to learn about water. Okay, this lesson is about water and air. We had finished air. Okay, so now we have to learn about water. Now, water. About 70%, who will read?
Ma'am, Hassan can.
Yes, boy.
Ma'am, Nakviragi
Can
Basan.
read.
Ma'am, Nakviragi Basan can
Okay,
read.
Ma'am,
let me
Hassan
just,
can read.
Ragi Bhasan, please start reading. Afterwards, I'll give
Okay,
you
ma'am.
everyone chance, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Read Ragi.
Okay, ma'am. Water. About 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The water is present in rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, and ice caps. The water present in the seas and oceans is not fit for drinking as it contains high amount of salts. Sources of water.
Very good, okay.
Sources of
Our earth
water.
is covered, no,
Rainwater
okay, no,
fills.
wait. Okay, hold on. Our earth is
Okay, ma'am.
covered 70% of, no beta, let me just complete, Ragi Bhasan, off your microphone, I am explaining this paragraph. Okay. About 70% of the earth is covered with water. Okay. Kitna percent? 70%. 30% is only land. Okay. So, 70% is covered with water. Our earth is covered with water. The water is present and ice. The water present in seas and ocean is not fit for drinking as it contains high amount of salt. Okay, so this is very important line. The water present in seas and ocean is not fit for drinking as it contains high amount of salt. Okay, so now which which source will fit for drinking? We'll read that part. Okay, now we will learn that part. Now I want new name, new voice.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Hassan.
Pariyani Shafiq. Start reading better.
Yes, ma'am.
Afterwards, let me complete with Shafiq. Shafiq, yes, start reading.
Water supports life. Water is sources of
No.
sources of water. Rainwater fills rivers, ponds, lakes, and wells. These are our many sources of water.
Main sources of water.
Main sources of water.
Now, read.
Water supports life. Water,
Water supports life.
water supports life. Water is essential
for all living being inside including
Essential. Shafiq, please listen me properly first. Listen me and then you read, okay? Water is essential.
and
Yes.
water is essential for
Essential
all living being essential for
being.
all
Hmm.
being being including planets, animal
Including
and human
being.
including
Okay. Okay.
planets,
Plants.
plants,
Plants. Plants.
plants,
Human beings.
animal, animal and human being. We
Beings.
need
Okay. 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 Fine. Off your microphone. Yes. I want new other names. Yes. Who will read?
Ma'am, Hassan.
Ansari. Yes, Hassan. Okay. Second point. Sorry, first
Yes,
point.
ma'am.
We
Ma'am,
need.
Hassan. Hassan.
Yes, Hassan. Start reading.
Yes. Water supports life. Water is essential for all living beings
Essential.
in.
Okay, I have completed that line. You have to read another line. Please don't waste time. Okay.
Okay. We
We
need
need
water
water.
for drinking. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, and washing. We also need water for agriculture, industries, and transport. Plants also need water to make their foods and grow.
Okay. Now we have to learn about the sources of water. Okay. For our daily life. Okay. Rainwater fills river, ponds, lakes, and wells. These all are main source of water. This is for our use. Okay. We human beings are using water from river, ponds, lakes and wells. Especially rain water. Okay. हम क्या use करते हैं? Rain water use करते हैं. Salty water use नहीं करते. Okay. The main, these all are our main source of water. Now, how only, this is not only for, water is just not only for the human beings. It is used in animals, used by animals, used by plants, in industries, in transport, everywhere water is useful. Okay. So we will learn how water is supporting our life. Water is very important part of our life. Okay. First point, we need water for drinking, bathing and cooking and washing. Okay. So where water is useful for human being is used in drinking, bathing, cooking and washing. It is also used in agriculture, industries and transportation. Okay. Water is also used in agriculture. Okay. जब भी कोई चीज हम उगाते हैं तब पानी रिक्वायर्ड होता है. ओके. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन, वाटर इज ऑल्सो यूज इन इंडस्ट्रीज. ओके. इंडस्ट्रीज और फैक्ट्रीज होती है, वहां पे भी पानी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. राइट. एंड वाटर इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट. लाइक if we go to, in ship, okay, ship or any yacht or anything like that, it will be used. So water will be used for transporting as well. Now plants also need water to make their food and grow. Also plants also need water to make their food and grow. It is also essential part of the life. Now impurities of water. Who will read? New voice please.
Lakwi Ragi Basan can read.
No Ragi by one new voice please. Who will read? Boys. Nakwi Ali Reza. Mohammad Hussain Ansari.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
नकवी अली
ma'am.
रजा. नहीं आप नहीं. हुसैन मोहम्मद हुसैन अंसारी. मोहम्मद हुसैन अंसारी, open your mic. Rehan Sheikh, open your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ansari, start reading. अंसारी स्टार्ट रीडिंग. आप कहाँ पे हो? बहुत आवाज आ रही है. आप कहाँ पे हो बेटा? कम इन द कॉर्नर. Okay. Let's Ansari.
Ma'am, can I read?
What is your name, beta?
Sama Mohammad Zaid.
Yes, Sama. Yes, Sama Mohammed. Please.
Ma'am, अब आवाज आ रही है?
बहुत आ रही है बेटा.
Impurities in water.
Impurities in water.
Impurities in water. Water from rivers, ponds, and lakes is not safe for drink because it may have dirty and germs
Dirt
in
and
it.
germs. Dirt and
Dirt,
germs in it.
dirt and germs in it. Drinking water should be free from germs, mud, dirt, and any other type of
Impurities.
impurity. The things that make water unsafe for drinking are called impurities.
Okay. Yes. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Water from river. We can drink water from river, ponds, and lakes. But it is. अब आवाज आ रही है बेटा. आपको कहीं से कोने में जाना ही पड़ेगा. Okay. Water from river, ponds and lakes is not safe for drinking because it may have dirt and germs. पानी जब खुला होता है नदी में और तालाब में वो drinking के लिए safe नहीं है because it may have germs and dirt because it is open. Okay. So drinking water should be free from dirt, germs, mud and any other type of impurities. Okay. The drinking water should be free from these all things. The things that makes water unsafe for drinking is called impurities. हाँ बेटा अभी भी आ रही है. Okay, this is a definition of impurities. Impurities का मतलब क्या है? The things that makes water unsafe for drinking are called impurities. Okay. जो चीज impure करती है पानी को safe नहीं करती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Impurities. Now there are two type of impurities. Yes, who will read?
Sama Mohammad Zaid.
Sama Muhammad said, no, I want new name.
Nakbir Agib Hassan.
No, Raghib. New voice.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Kapasi.
Ma'am, can I Muhammad Ali?
Yes, Muhammad Ali. Start reading, please.
In water
This can
such
be. No. In this can be.
This can be of two types, insoluble and soluble. The
Yes.
impurities that do not dissolve in
Dissolve.
water as sand are called insoluble impurities. The impurities that dissolve in
Impurities.
impurities that dissolve in the water such as salt are called soluble impurities.
Impurities. Okay. There are two types of impurities. As I told you, the definition of impurities is the thing which makes water unsafe to drink is called impurities. Okay. कुछ भी गलत चीज अंदर होती है पानी में जो drink नहीं कर सकते उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Impurities. There are two types of impurities. First is soluble and another one is insoluble. Okay. The impurities that dissolve in water such as sand. Okay, mud, sand, okay, stones. This type of impurity is called insoluble impurities. जो dissolve पानी में नहीं होते, पानी में mix नहीं होते, इसी impurities को insoluble impurities कहते हैं. Okay, and the impurities that dissolve in water such as salt, sugar. Yes, अब आ रही है. अब next आप read करना, ठीक है? These impurities that dissolve in water such as salt, sugar is called soluble impurities. जो पानी में मिक्स हो जाता है उसको soluble कहते हैं, और जो पानी में मिक्स नहीं होते उसको insoluble कहते हैं. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Now we will learn how to remove these impurities, because we have to have removed those impurities before drinking. हमको पानी में वो जो impurities सब है उसको पहले ही remove करना होगा. Okay, तो ही हम अपना पानी
Ma'am, I can
drink
read.
कर सकते हैं. Yes,
Ma'am, I
Ansari,
can
start reading.
read.
Yes, Ansari.
Removing insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities such as dust, mud, and sand can be removed by using two different methods: filtration and sedimentation.
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 Yes, filter. Okay, let me first explain this and then you read again, okay? Insoluble impurities such as dust, mud and sand can be removed by two different methods, okay? To remove insoluble impurities, there are two different methods. First is filtration and second one is sedimentation. Okay, now first, yes, start reading, Ansari.
Filtration. Filtration is the method in which insoluble, impu-
Insoluble.
insoluble impurities can be removed by passing the impure water through a filter.
Okay. Now filtration is a process to in which insoluble impurities can be removed by passing the impure water through a filter. Okay. Filter से pass करते हैं ताकि सब impurities निकल जाए. How? Now we have to see how sand is separated from the water by method of filtration. Okay. We have to do this experiment. Yes. Start reading. Item used. Okay, to separate, start reading.
To separate sand and
આમાં અવાજ
water.
જાય છે બધો. Hey, 1 minute. Okay, okay.
Hello.
Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Sorry for the waiting. Okay. For this experiment, who will read? Who will read?
Ansari Mama.
Someone can read.
No, I'm sorry. I want new name, please. Now you have read enough. Okay. So I want new name.
Ma'am Hassan.
Yes. Who
Ma'am
will read
Hassan.
now? No, Hassan. I want new voice. OP Gamer Merchant. Who is OP Gamer Merchant? Sakina Merchant, please open your microphone. OP Gamer Merchant, Sakina Merchant, please open your microphone. Don't waste our time. Tawfiq Islam. Yes, Tawfiq. Will you read?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
from next, okay, I want, if I take your name, you have to open your microphone, okay? You just don't have to sleep, okay? Start reading topic.
Okay. Ma'am.
Yes, start reading topic. To
Filter
separate
paper
sand, no, to separate
to
offline.
separate sand and water by fil ma'am, water filtration.
Filtration. Items used.
Items used: filter paper, jar, funnel, and
Funnel.
a funnel and a mixture of water
Mixture of
and sand. Mixture of water and sand. What to do?
what to do. Yes, first point. Read it.
Number one.
Read.
Take a
Circular.
circular filter paper and make a cone. Number two. Place the cone inside the funnel.
Funnel. Funnel.
Fun- Funnel. Place the funnel on the
Mouth
the
of
jar,
jar.
mouth of the jar. Number four.
Pour the
Pure,
mixture. Pour
pure
the
the
mixture.
pure the mixture of sand.
Pour the mixture.
Pour the mixture of sand and water over the filter paper.
Okay, hold on. Okay, for we have to separate sand and water by filtration. Okay, so for that we have to do one experiment. In this experiment, we will use items like paper, filter paper, jar, funnel, and mixture of water and sand. Now, what to do? Okay, take a circular filter paper and then we have to make a cone. We have to take a round paper, filter paper, and then we have to make it a cone. Now we have to place that cone inside the funnel. Okay, here this is called funnel. Okay, this is called jar. This is called funnel. Okay, this is also a jar. Okay, and this is funnel. Funnel is this. Okay, funnel. Okay. Now we have to place that cone inside the funnel. Now place funnel onto the mouth of jar. Now we have to place this is the mouth of the jar. Okay, mouth of the jar. Now we have to place that funnel in the mouth of the jar. Now we have to pour the mixture. Pour the mixture यानी पानी, वो जो गंदा पानी है ना, यहाँ से ये वाला पानी, ये वाला ये पानी, गंदा पानी. You have to mix. You have to pour that mixture of sand and water over the filter paper. Okay. Now what will happen? Drops of clean water start trickling down. Look, this water is trickling down here. यहाँ पानी आ रहा है. Okay. This. Okay. So drop of clean water start trickling down into the jar. Sand particles are left behind on the filter paper. Now यहाँ पे जो गंदा पानी का जो होता है ना, यहाँ पे जमा होता है सब सैंड. ओके, so now the drops of clean water will come down and the sand particle will be left in a paper. Now what we have learned by this experiment, we have learned that insoluble impurities such as sand can be separated with the way of filtration. Okay, फिल्टर करके जो गंदा पानी होता है उसको फिल्टर किया जा सकता है, फिल्टर करके. ओके, नाउ सेकंड. Now we have to learn a second method. Wait a minute, boys. Okay. Can you see my screen now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now read. Now read this. Who will read?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
read?
Lakbir Akib Hasan can read.
Ma'am, can I read?
No,
Nine
I
Mohammed
want
Raza
new
read.
voice. New voice.
Nine Mohammed Raza read.
Read.
Sik read.
Yes, Raza. Yes, Mohammed Raza. Start
Hasan
reading.
can read. Mohammed Raza read.
Mohammed
Ma'am, can
Raza,
I?
start reading. Stop. Everyone, please mute your mic and Mohammed Raza start reading. We don't have
Okay.
enough time.
Removing, removing soluble, soluble,
Impurities.
soluble
Impurities.
is more difficult than than removing
Removing
insoluble
insoluble.
im, impur,
Impurities.
impurity is is most soluble. Impurities can be separated using two
Separated using
evaporation process evaporation and
distillation. Okay.
distillation.
Here we have two type of methods to remove insoluble impurities. First, it is called evaporation, and second is called distillation. What is evaporation now? Evaporation. Okay, soluble impurities like salt and sugar. Okay, this type of impurity to remove this type of impurities is very hard. Okay, there are two types of process. Okay, first is evaporation and second is distillation. Okay, what is evaporation now? Read.
Water change into water vapor due to the process of evaporation becomes faster when the liquid is heated or boiled. When water gets evaporated, it leaves
Evaporated.
the impurities behind. Salt can be
Impurities.
separated.
Impurities.
Impurities behind salt can be separated from water by this method.
Okay. Yes, evaporation means water changes into vapor due to the process of evaporation. What is happening? We have to boil the water or heat the water. Okay, liquid, any liquid, we have to boil it. For this method, we have to boil or we have to heat the liquid. Evaporation becomes faster when the liquid is heated or boiled. Okay. When water get evaporated, जब पानी evaporate हो जाता है, okay, गर्म होके उड़ जाता है, vapor बन के, भाप बन के, okay, then when water get evaporated, it leaves impurities behind, like salt. आपको पता है how salt is made? The person who is working in salt, they put the water in a big pond, okay, in a big pond, you can even say big pond or big place, and then water is, because of sun, because of heat, water is evaporated. Okay, water goes out because of heat. Okay, and so now only salt will remain. This is impurities. Okay, so this is how salt is made. Okay, so this is very important sentence. Salt can be separated from the by this method. Now, distillation. Distillation is a very important type of types of what you call process to remove soluble impurities. Who will read? I want a new name. Yes, Zainab. Who is Zainab? Yes, Hasan Kapasi, start reading, beta, fast. Okay, let me finish this process.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kapasi.
Ma'am, distillation.
Yes.
Yes. Distillation. Distillation involves the following steps. First, impure water is taken in a round bottom flask and heated. Second point, on heating the water changes into steam and the
Wait a minute.
impurities
Are
impurities
left behind.
are left behind. When the steam passes through the condense
Through the condenser. Through the
through the
condenser.
condenser, it cools and turns into water.
Condenser. Hmm.
Condenser. It cools and
Okay.
turns into water. Third point. Pure water collected by this process is called distilled water. Distilled water. It is the
Form of.
purest form of water as it does not contain any impurities.
Okay,
Distilled.
okay. Now, how to wait? How to do? What is distillation process? First, we have to learn what is distillation. Now, this is how distillation is done. Okay. First, we have to take in water in a round flask. Okay. Look, this is okay. Then we have to heat this water. यहाँ से heat करते. Okay. When the water start heating, okay, the water will rise. Okay. Because water vapors, okay, जो गर्म होगा तो steam बाहर निकलेंगी. We have to collect that steam and we have to pass through this. This is the condenser, okay. We have to pass that steam through this tube of the glass tube, okay. This is condenser. Then because of condensing, the hot water becomes, the hot steam will become water, okay. वो भाप हो जाता है, ठंडा होता है तो पानी बन जाता है, okay. So this water will come in this flask. ओके यहाँ से सब पानी, यहाँ से पानी गर्म होता है और वो पानी यहाँ से you have to pass this water, okay, and then we have to collect this water in the flask. Okay, this is called distillation process. Okay, okay, and this water is the purest form of the water. Okay, it does not contain any kind of impurities, and this water is used in laboratories, car batteries and medicine. You know, have you seen the small tubes of water coming in medicine? Have you seen? Yes, Kapasi?
No, ma'am.
Oh, you can ask your mom. You know, it is small tubes of water coming with medicine. Sometimes when it is dry powder, it is coming to make a syrup. Okay, so
Yes,
this
yes, ma'am. Yes.
water is used. Yes, yes. So this water is distilled water. Okay, it is used. Okay, in car batteries, laboratories, and in medicine. Okay, this is the purest form of water. Okay, this is the whole process. This is a very big process. It takes lots of time. Okay, to distill the water. But this is commercially. This is used commercially in car batteries to where the car batteries are made, and specially for medicine and laboratories, because it is the purest form. There is no bacteria, there is no any impurities, so it is very useful in laboratories and medicines, and especially car making, batteries of cars. Okay, so next, this is the purification of water. So, but this is a long process. I can't explain you in this on only in 5 minutes. Okay, so we will do this in next chapter. Okay, purification of drinking water, and there are 2 pages. Okay, so we will learn thoroughly. This is very useful. So we will do this in a next lecture. Okay, and do you have any doubt regarding to this chapter? This lecture?
Ma'am.
Any doubts? Yes.
No,
Any doubt?
no, ma'am. No doubt. No,
Okay.
ma'am. No doubt.
I will give you when I finish the chapter. Then I will give you what you notes. Okay. But
Okay,
first, let
ma'am.
me just finish.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, till then, take care and have a nice day. And bye-bye. Don't trouble your mother. Stay home, stay safe.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
ma'am. You also. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Ma'am, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, bye
Bye,
bye, ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,